What's up, everybody? Welcome back and Happy New Year. Today we're going to be killing two birds with one stone. We're going to unbox and test some new mics. Let's get into it, shall we? Alright, so this is going to be a relatively short video. There's not a whole lot to unpack here, or a lot to really discuss. But I will be posting a segment later on in the video of the audio quality with my old mics so that you can compare the two. Let's unbox it. When I ordered the mic 2, as part of the deal it came with these two external lav mics. I don't know that I really need them, but it is nice to have. I'll probably end up unboxing and testing these in a later video, but for now I'm just going to use the body packs. Inside the box is this cool little pouch. It comes with the manual, and as an added bonus, it's even got a couple little stickers if you're into that kind of thing. I honestly think I could probably fit both of those little lav mics inside this pouch if I really wanted to, so that makes it a nice little handy kit to just throw in your bag and go. One thing I really like is that it comes with the little aux cable that allows you to pipe audio directly from the receiver into a dedicated camera if you want to. It also came with two little windscreens and the charging cable. This is the hard shell case that houses the body packs and the receiver. This thing feels like it's really heavy duty and made out of some quality materials. I'm pretty sure that on its own you could throw it in your bag and go and everything would be fine. Alright, as I had mentioned before in a previous video, I've been using some rather mediocre mics. They serve their purpose, they work, they're not the greatest thing, and in my opinion, they kind of sound like ass. But it was a significant improvement over the stock iPhone mics. As of now, I am currently using the DJI Mic 2 set. So let's take a look at it. One thing that I found absolutely awesome is that as soon as I opened the case, the body packs and the receiver powered on and were pretty much ready to go. The only thing that I needed to do initially was to pair the body packs to the receiver. Now, supposedly, if the body packs become unpaired for some reason, you're supposed to be able to put all of it back into the case and it will automatically reconnect itself. Now, I haven't tested this, but according to the manual, it says this is a feature. It's also pretty cool that you get the lightning adapter and a USB-C adapter. So if you've got an older iPhone like I do, the lightning adapter is extremely handy. Now, if you've got a more modern phone or you want to connect it to any other USB-C capable device, you absolutely can. It's also pretty cool that the whole thing kind of functions as one big charging pack. So if you have all of the units inside of the case and you charge it, the units themselves will be fully charged. So if you're out on the go and you need to top up your batteries before you get to your next gig, just throw them into the case, it'll top up the charge, and you should be ready to rip. My only real gripe here is the glossy finish on the front of the body packs. I kind of wish it was just this flat color, be it gray or black or something else. The reflective nature of the glossy finish can kind of screw with your camera a bit, so it's something to be aware of. And if you don't like it or you find it problematic, you can stick a piece of gaff tape on it like I did. These are the mics that I had originally shot the bulk of my content on. As you can hear, they're really not that great. They served their purpose and they got the job done, but are they worth the 50 bucks I paid for them? Absolutely not. So I ended up with the cheaper mics simply because the stock mic in my iPhone really isn't good. It's very noisy, it's got a lot of crackling and hissing and just other audio garbage you really don't want. The cheaper mics, they served their purpose and they got the job done, but they really weren't anywhere close to what I wanted, and everything sounded kinda nasally. The DJI Mic 2, the audio quality blows them all out of the water, and I am really looking forward to using them on all future content. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and help the channel, and until next time, keep rocking.